Hi guys. I'm gonna try to do this video so that you can see stuff and my face maybe. I don't think my face is that important. Okay, here's the idea. You were given a bunch of rules in this Desmos activity. So in this one, you can plug in whatever number you want, and you're trying to figure out what the rule is. So it could be dividing by 3, but 23 minus 10 is 13. So the rule here is subtract by 10. So the idea, well, hang on. Sorry, got ahead of myself. Here's a new rule, rule number 2, and it says you can put in any number you want. So I've put in a couple of different numbers, and I put in 4, I got out 7, I put in 3.6, I got out 7, I put in 2, I got out 7. Let's try something else. I'm gonna put in pi, and what's it gonna give me? Hopefully y'all are guessing that it's gonna give you a 7, because it is. This is just like, give me a 7 no matter what you do. Rule 3, here you put in a word, and it gives you a letter. And so notice I get in hello, P, boo, P, no, P, lab, C, knob, C. And then I was just like, hang on, I feel like there's a trick. And it turns out if you plug in O, you get out a P. You plug in B, you get out a C. A, you plug in a B. Y, you get out a Z. So what it's doing is it's taking the last letter, and then it's just finding the next letter in the alphabet. So like happy ends in a Y, it kicked out a Z. Cool. Rule 4, here you plug in a letter and it gives you a name. So like A gives you Adam, sometimes it gives you Arjun, sometimes it gives you Sol, sometimes S gives you Sydney. If I plug in K, because I'm like, oh, I want my friend Kelly, I want Kelly to come up. Come on, Kelly. Keandra, darn it, it's not Kelly. Here's the important bit. When you get to this activity, it tells you on screen 9 that rules 1, 2, and 3 are functions. Rule 4 is not a function. This is what it is. If I can predict, after I know what the rule is, if I can predict what it's going to do, then it's a function. If I can't predict what it's going to do, it's not a function, right? So here, I put in name, it ends in E. I know the next letter is going to be an F. So I knew that. If I plug in the word cat, right? It ends in T, the next letter is going to be an S. So I know that if I plug in cat, I can tell you what the next thing is. If I plug in 7 over here, I'm going to get out 7. If I plug in 0, I'm going to get out 7. If I plug in, so 723 gives me 713. This is the subtracting by 10. So like if I plug in 20, it's going to give me 10. But down here, where it's not a function, the idea is like I plug in P, and maybe it'll give me Pietro. Maybe it'll give me Peter. Maybe it'll give me Paula. I have no idea. I can't trust this thing. It's not a function. I don't know what it's going to do. So that's the idea. Functions are predictable. Once you know the rule, you can tell me what it's going to get. Non-functions, unpredictable. You can't promise me what the output is going to be. Let me know if you have questions. Come on.